Hello, in this video we're going to deep dive into mastering the R sound in British English. This sound is found in many common words and we'll break down the technicalities of it. We'll also explore how this sound is physically produced and we'll have some fun with some tongue twisters. So let's get started. Let's look at 10 common words that feature the R sound. These words are father, car, large, start, hard, dark, apart, smart, rather, and target. Familiarising yourself with these words will help you to practice the sound in context. Now, let's discuss the technical side of the sound. In the International Phonetic Alphabet, it's represented by this symbol. Its technical name is the open back unrounded vowel sound. This means that when you produce it, your mouth is open, the back of your tongue is low and towards the back of your mouth, and your lips are unrounded. Don't confuse it with the sound, which is very similar but shorter. The two dots mean that it's a longer sound. Here's a few minimal pairs, which are words where there's only one sound that's different. The first word has the R sound, and the second has the sound. Calm, come. Heart, hut. Cart, cut. Bart, but. To practice the R sound and have some fun, let's try some tongue twisters. Here's a few tongue twisters featuring words with the R sound. Arthur's father starts the car. Large lizards lurk in dark corners. Smart sharks swim in the dark. Hard-working artists appreciate art. Martha and Arthur park the car. Sharks are rather fast swimmers. Target the dartboard with precision. Dartboards are part of the game. Aardvarks are hard to find in the wild. And there you have it. Practice is key, so keep working on those tongue twisters and pay attention to the technical details that we discussed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this useful. If you want to improve your English, then join the English Language Club today and unlock a world of opportunities. Get exclusive content updates, access to our app and vibrant Discord community, and many other benefits. Click the link in the description or the card in the corner to join the English Language Club now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.